Welcome back to Vendetta Trading. Today we're answering a question that's way more important than most people think. What actually is trading and how do we really make money doing it? Trading in simple terms, let's break it down. Trading is the act of speculating on price movements. Prices in financial markets are constantly moving, whether it's currency pairs like forex, commodities like oil, metals, stock, or even crypto. All these assets go up and down in value every second. As a trader, we try to take advantage of these price movements. We enter a position, predicting price will go up or down, and if you're right, we make money. Sounds simple, right? But there's a catch. You have to risk money to make money. To participate in trading, you need to risk your own capital. You're putting money into the market with no guarantee of a return. And yes, that means you could lose. Sometimes you lose back-to-back trades. Sometimes you even have entire weeks where nothing works for you. But that's completely normal. The key here is we're not gamblers, we're system traders. Here's the key point that separates a serious trader from a gambler. We don't just click buttons and hope. We follow a system that gives us a statistical advantage over time. We trade based on data, pattern and rules that we backtested and refined. We're not trying to win every single trade, that's not the goal. Think of a casino. Every game has a small edge in favor of the house. Not every player loses, but over time the house always wins. That's how you want to trade. You want to build a strategy that gives you a slight edge and then trade that system consistently. One trade doesn't matter, the series does. Most beginners obsess over individual trades. I lost, I must be doing something wrong. I won, I must be a genius. But here's the truth. A single trade means nothing. The outcome of one trade is random. You could follow your strategy perfectly and still lose. What matters is the series of trades you take. That's where your edge kicks in. It's a law of large numbers. Over many trades, your strategy should lead to a net profit if the edge is real. That's the professional mindset. Trading is a business and not a lottery ticket. It's a business and like every business, it requires a working system, clear rules, risk control, psychology, and consistent performance tracking. In the coming videos, I'm going to walk you through all of that, piece by piece. Once you've built a reliable system and you can execute it with discipline, you can start to scale. That's the beauty of trading. You're not trading your time for money, you're building a skill that can pay proportionally to your discipline and consistency. Whether you have a $1,000 account or a $100,000 account, the system is the same. The only thing that changes is position size and risk management. With that also comes a slight change in trading psychology because of the large numbers you're trading with, but that's for a later topic. In summary, trading is a speculation on price movements. You risk capital to make money, but not like a gambler. We trade with a system that gives us an edge. One trade means nothing, the series is what matters. The edge is how we become profitable long term. And trading is scalable and can offer real freedom, but only with discipline. In the next videos, I show you how to actually build that system, so you can trade with confidence and consistency. If you're serious about becoming a trader, stick around, this is just getting started. Goodbye.